Hello and welcome to Sketch Together. My name is Pablo Stanley and this is Design Digest, where we share news about design, tools, apps, and other cool stuff. Let's start with something special. In rare occasions, we get an app that might just change how we work. Meet Abstract, an app that aims to help us on what I think is one of the weakest steps in the design process, the management and organization of our files. Abstract app is a secure version control center for your documents. You can ideate by branching from your master files to create new design explorations. You commit your ideations as your ideas evolve, and then you can integrate and merge all your changes together. It's like a GitHub for designers. This tool could potentially change the design collaboration process, allowing us to overcome the burden of out-of-date and conflicting files. I mean, we have all used naming conventions like Final V1.sketch or Final V2.ai or Final for Reals version 7.psd. And who hasn't told their team, hey everybody, do not open the master file. I need to make some updates, okay? Do not open it. Okay, cool. Let me know when you're done. Okay, I'm done. You can open it. Yeah, cool. Wait, hold on. Hopefully, we're finally going to be able to catch up to our developer friends who have been able to work in harmony for the longest time. I recommend trying it out and commenting what you think of it. Be aware that this is an alpha release, so you might find some bugs or occasional crashes. The portfolio of the week comes from Califa, a professional problem solver. His words, not mine. Joel currently works at GitHub, and he previously led product design at DigitalOcean. In his portfolio, you can feel the personality of the designer in all the little details. I love the writing behind the features he has worked on and the simple walkthrough of his work. Also, the visited detail on the links was just... This is not your typical designer portfolio. It's almost all text, which sounds boring, but Joel was able to pull off a site that keeps the reader engaged while learning about his process. His site is proof that a portfolio doesn't need to be all pretty pictures. Portfolios could also tell a story and ideally reflect your personality. Remember that the people visiting your site in hopes of bringing you to their team are not only looking to hire your skills, but also you as a human being. Adding that personal touch and letting your character shine can be helpful. Now, let's have our illustrator of the week, Shawna X. She is an artist and visual designer working with illustration, painting, product design, and motion. Her work displays vibrant colors, simple shapes, and beautiful composition. Some of her clients include Adobe, Google, Nike, Adidas, Twitter, and others. I highly recommend checking out her work and maybe get some inspiration. Now, I want to share a really cool app from Microsoft, Seeing AI. Seeing AI is an app designed for the blind and low vision community. The app uses the power of artificial intelligence to describe nearby objects or people or text. You just point the camera and hear a description and narration of what's around you. It's one of those projects that remind us that we can use technology to create solutions for people that need them the most. Now, my random font of the week is Playfair Display, an open source serif typeface available for free on Google Fonts. Playfair was created by Danish designer Klaus Eggers in 2011. It takes influence from the typeface Baskerville. It's ideal for headlines, titles, and short lines of text. It has an extra large X height and short descendants. You might want to combine it with a grotesque sans serif or another typeface that gives you a beautiful and balanced contrast. Now I want to finish this design digest with the section Old but Gold, where I share something that has been out for a while, but it's still great to share because it has turned into a classic. UXtools.co. I frequently get asked, hey, what's the best tool for prototyping? What do you prefer for designing? What's the coolest app for handoff with developers? Well, with UX tools, you get to compare and discover apps for design, prototyping, and handoff. It shows you on what platform it works, price, details about the app, everything. Not only that, but they also have an excellent library of UX books. This is ideal for someone that is just starting and wants to know what are the most popular and recommended books and tools out there. Check it out. That's it for this week. If you have a suggestion on what we should cover next week, please leave a comment with a link. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.